Okay, right now I'm going to show you how to make a molasses hand popsicle for horses. Okay, so I need 4 things to make this and to make it work. 1, a horse that would really like this. 2 would be molasses. 3 would be oats. And 4 would be a hand. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is set the camera down. Right there. Alright, then I'm going to pour molasses into my palm. Oh, okay, that's a lot. That's a mess. Okay, then I'm going to rub the molasses into my hand like this. I think I got too much, but it's just more yummy for Aramis. Oh yeah. Okay. So this is the hand. It's completely just yummy. Okay. Now I'm going to set the camera down again. Alrighty. Now I'm going to get oats and sprinkle it onto my hand like so, and make it all stick on there like this, and then the extras I'm just gonna dump into the bucket. Okay, so oh sorry, so this is my hand. Okay, alrighty, this is the horse. Come here, buddy. Alright, let's see if he likes that. I would say he does. He really likes these hand molasses popsicle thing for horses. He really likes them. Yeah. The best stuff's between the fingers. That is so funny. Well, there you go. It's a hit.